Hi, I'm Dave Galver, a Canadian occupational therapist, a co-founder, and the Chief Clinical Officer for Participant Assistive Products. Welcome to my little home on Vancouver Island. Today I'd like to talk to you about Pony, our transport chair, and the many advantages we think it offers. Let's get into this together. I'm excited to show you Pony today. This is a versatile transport chair that has many optional parts and adjustments. It serves up to Basic Plus users who may have just temporary needs. I'll start with a couple of the more interesting adjustments and finish with a quick look at the optional activity tray, elevating leg rest, bolt-on headrest, lateral trunk supports, butterfly body harness, and a 4-point pelvic strap, and its anti-tipper bars. Pony comes in 7 sizes, from 300 to 600 millimeters, and is rated for up to a 130 kilogram user. One chair may last or serve more than one user. We support this with a circular approach to the product life cycle by making the upholstery drawings open source and providing support to local fabricators. Pony comes with flip-up armrests to facilitate easier transfers. The armrests are height adjustable with 3 options that work well with the optional activity tray. Push the trigger by the base of the armrest and flip it up and backwards towards the backrest. To replace the armrest, pivot it down into position and listen for the click when it is secure in its bracket. The leg rests are swing away and removable to facilitate easier transfers again. To swing away the leg rest, push the trigger mechanism on the side of the chair and swing the leg rest to the outside or remove them totally. To replace the leg rest in position, swing the leg rest back into the center until they lock into place. The footrests are height and angle adjustable. The foot plates flip up to clear space for transfers and make the chair easier to store and transport. The optional high mount leg rest allows a very high footrest. Again, a wider population served. The slung seat is made from 600 denier nylon Oxford cloth that is reinforced with an inner non-stretch layer, so that posture support of the pelvis is more attainable. The seat depth has 3 options and is easy to change by adding a strap and extending the seat material. The seat has 3 height options, which is critically important for users who use their feet to propel. The standard chair has a slung seat pan and backrest. It has high quality materials to increase its lifespan. The backrest is a sling design that uses the same robust material as the seat. It has 3 height adjustment options. For tall users who need more back support, the Tall Back Kit adds 3 additional height options, up to 100 millimeters of additional height. Like all transport chairs, the standard chair has a side folding frame to make transportation and storage easier. Remove the cushion, pull up on the seat pan at the front and back of the seat, squeeze the armrest together to close it tightly. To open, just separate the armrest to begin the movement and finish by pushing down on the seat rails until the seat is secured in its open position. Replace the cushion, position the user, and off you go.